Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add website data to Chatbase in 2026. If you want your AI chatbot to answer questions using your website's content, the setup is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open Chatbase in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then open the AI agent you want to update from your dashboard. Next, go to the *knowledge* or data sources section and choose the option to add a website ***. Yeah, this lets Chatbase collect information directly from your site. Now enter your website's URL and choose whether you want Chatbase to scan a single page or crawl multiple pages from your website. Then start the import process. Wait while Chatbase scans and indexes your website content. This may take a few moments depending on the size of your website. Once the import is complete, open the Chatbot preview and ask questions based on your website's content to make sure everything is working correctly. If needed, rescan your website after making changes so your chatbot stays up to date, and that's it. You've successfully added website data to Chatbase, and your AI chatbot is now ready to answer questions using your site's content. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.